A day after agreeing to allow devotees to offer prayers at the Nizamuddin Markaz during the period of Ramzan, the centre has made a U-turn in Delhi High Court, citing new Delhi Disaster Management Act guidelines that all religious gatherings have now been banned. The Delhi High Court, hearing the plea by the Delhi Waqf Board seeking easing of restrictions at the premises of Nizamuddin Markaz, has asked the centre to state its new stand on banning all religious, political, academic, social as well as sporting gatherings in an affidavit. To get more details on this, we have my colleague Arvind joining us. Arvind, the U-turn made within 24 hours.
Yeah, Divya, a day after the centre told Delhi High Court that they are ready to allow devotees to enter the Nizamuddin Markaz to offer prayers during the holy month of Ramzan, the centre on Tuesday informed the Delhi High Court, relying on the new guidelines that have been issued under the Delhi Disaster Management Act for COVID guidelines, said that all religious gatherings have been banned across the national capital region, the national capital Delhi. So citing that, the centre made a submission before the court saying that all the religious gatherings, let it be all religious gatherings and also social and also other political gatherings, have been banned in Delhi due to the rise of COVID cases. So after hearing this submission by the central government and also Delhi police, the Delhi High Court has asked the centre to file its stand, the new stand, in an affidavit latest by today. But today the court is not sitting, so we have to wait when the court will take up the matter. So this is a very important case where the Delhi Waqf Board had moved the Delhi High Court seeking an direction to ease restrictions on allowing devotees to enter the Nizamuddin Markaz to offer prayers during Ramzan. In fact, the masjid has been closed, has been under lock since March last year after a case has been registered in connection with the Tablighi Jamaat congregation. So for last 1 year, this masjid has been closed, and that's why the Delhi Waqf Board had moved the Delhi High Court seeking easing of the restrictions. So on the Monday hearing, the central government made an argument, made a submission before the Delhi High Court saying that they are ready to allow 20 devotees at a time with a list of 200 persons. But even that, the Delhi High Court took an exception, saying that the notification that has been issued earlier did not give any such numbers of allowing only 20 persons at a religious place in the time. So taking an exemption of the centre's submission, the court said that when there is no such rule, when there is no such curtailment or restriction, how can you say that only 20 devotees can be allowed? So after hearing the court's observation, the centre had then on Monday informed the High Court that they will be allowing the devotees to enter the Markaz to offer prayers. But on Tuesday, they made a U-turn relying on the new DDMA guidelines, saying that all religious gatherings have been banned. So now the court has asked the central government to file their stand on an affidavit.
Right. Thank you, Arvind, so much for joining us with all those details.